Okay, so in this lecture, we'll be talking about collections. First of all, let me explain what a collection is. A collection is basically a category. So the easiest way to explain it is to, let me go here to my website, Shrimp Toys. And as you can see here, I have a section called My Toys. And if I hover over it, I'll be presented with different categories that I've created. And these categories basically make it easier for customers to find products. So let's say, for example, customers are looking for teasers for their cat. This is where they'll go. On the other hand, if they're looking for catnip fun, this is where they'll click and they'll find all the catnip related toys. And if you want to add a category where you have all your product, you can add one as well. So that's basically what a collection is. So let's go ahead and go back to Shopify. As you can see here, when you sign up, Shopify usually creates a front page collection by default. You'll find it here, as you can see. This is not a collection that I've created. So before I click on the front page and show you this particular collection that Shopify has created, let's go ahead and talk about this page. First of all, whenever you want to access your collections, this is where you do it. You click here on collections, just like we did. Next, if you want to look for a particular collection's name, you can do it here by typing the name of the collection right here in the search bar. Also, when you create a lot of collections here, it will be easier to filter through them if you're looking for a particular one. So as you can see here, there's filter collections. If you click on the drop-down menu, you will have to choose a filter. If you click on the drop-down menu here, you can see that you can filter the collection by visibility. In other words, whether you made the specific collection visible or hidden, or by type. Once you make your choice, click on Add Filter and the filter will be applied. If you want to apply certain actions to multiple collections, just check the box right next to the collection, and if you have other collections here and you want to include them in the action, just click on them, but we don't have any right now. So let's say we chose all the collections. As you can see, this box here appeared, bulk actions. If you click on the drop-down menu, you will find that you can apply several actions. You can either publish these selected collections, you can hide them, or you can completely delete them. So that's basically to save you time. Now that I've shown you this page, let me go ahead and click on front page, the collection that was basically created by Shopify. The reason why this collection is called front page because any products that will be added to this collection will appear on the front page or the home page of your website. So the title, as you can see, is front page, and you can add a description for the collection if you want. Now, let me show you the important part. This is where you add products to your collections. Right now, you can see that there are no products in this collection. If I do want to add a product, let's go ahead and click here. You can basically choose the products that you want to add. Now, since we only have one product right now, let me choose this particular product and add it. Now it's added to this collection. Once you've added your first product, a Sort This Collection menu will appear. If you click on the drop-down menu, you'll find that you'll be able to sort this collection manually. So if you click here, you'll be able to move the product. So if you have like 2 or 3 or even more products, just hover here and drag the product either down or up and place it wherever you want. And this will be the sequence of the products in this particular collection. Also, you can sort it by best-selling alphabetically or by price and date. If you want to add more products, just click on Add Product here and choose from the drop-down menu. And you can also search for products if you want. Now, if you want to remove this particular product, and maybe it's been there for a while on the home page and you want to add newer products to the home page, just click here on Remove. Okay, again, the same thing that we've done in the products page, and if you remember in the home page, you have to do here. So you're going to add your page title, your meta description, and a URL if you wanted to change the one that Shopify has created automatically for you. You can also change the visibility of this collection. Let's say this is a Christmas collection, for example, or a holiday collection, and you don't want it to always be visible, only right before the holidays. Just click on Hidden here, as we've seen before with products, and always click on Save. Now, if you want to delete this collection, just go ahead and click here on Delete this collection. So now that I've shown you the front page, let me go back and click on Collections again. If you want to create a brand new collection, this is where you go, Add to Collection here. Now, the first thing you want to do is enter the collection details, the title, the description, and a featured image if you want. So since this is a t-shirt store, basically, I will add a men's collection and a women's collection. So any women's t-shirts will be under the women's collection, and any men's t-shirt will be added in the men's collection. Let's say we're going to start by creating the men's collection. I'm just going to type in men, and if you want, you can also add a description here. And basically, it's the same as I've shown you with products. When you add products, you can edit your text and add pictures. You can add links, a table, insert an image, video, etc. It's exactly the same. You can also choose an image from here that will represent this particular collection. The most important part is choosing how products will be added to this particular collection. So now we have the men's collection. How do you want Shopify to add products to this particular collection? You can either do it manually, as you can see here, or you can choose to let Shopify automatically select products based on conditions. So let me show you the second option first. Automatically select products based on certain conditions and add them to this specific collection, which happens to be the men's collection right now. So first of all, you want to add a condition. And if this condition is met, this product will be added to the specific collection. Let me go ahead and click here on the drop-down menu. As you can see, you can choose to add products to this collection based on many conditions here. It can be the product title. So let's say if you want to add products that have a certain word in their title, just click here on product title, and here it says is equal to, and perhaps you want to add products that have the word men in the title. Or if you want, you can add it by product type, by product vendor, price. If, for example, this collection has products within a certain price range, you can add it based on product tag. So if you click here on product tag, you can say that you want to add products to this specific collection that have the tag men, for example. And that's it. Just click on enter, and any product that has the tag men will be added to this collection automatically. Now, if you want to add a extra condition, you can do it here by clicking on add another condition. And as you can see, now you have two different conditions. And that's why you have the option of choosing between products must match all conditions, meaning both of these, or if any product matches any of these conditions, even if it's just one, then it will automatically be added to this collection. Now, the last thing I want to show you is that you can delete these conditions if you want. Now that I've shown you how to automatically select products based on conditions, let me go ahead and show you how you can do it manually. So let's say you chose to add products manually. Let's click here and let's hit save. And I am going to show you now how to add products manually. Basically, what you do is you click here on add products, and you choose your product from the drop-down menu. The more products you have, the longer the drop-down menu will be. And you can also search for products. Another way of doing it is by going to the product section. As you can see right here, let's click here and choose a particular product. Let's click here and scroll down until you reach the collections section. If you click on the drop-down menu here, you'll be able to add this particular product to any of the collections that you will find in the list. So since we only have two collections right now, we only created the men's collection and Shopify created for us the front page, we only have two choices. And since front page is already added, you can see a checkbox right next to front page. So your only option is to add it to men. Let's say we do want to add it to the men's collection. Let's go ahead and click here. And there you have it. Right now, this product is in the front page collection, and it's also added to the men's collection. So let's go ahead and click here on save. And let's go back to collections. I'm going to click here on the men's collection one more time, and I will show you the rest of the fields that we have to complete in order to create this collection. What you need to do in the search engine section is exactly what I showed you in the products page and in the home page. So you want to add a page title, you want to add a meta description, and if you want to change the URL that Shopify has created for this collection, you can definitely change it. And once you're done, just click on save. If you want to, for whatever reason, make this particular collection hidden, like let's say you've created a collection for Christmas and you don't want it to appear year long, you only want to make it visible before the holidays when people are shopping for it, then what you want to do is click on hidden. And if you want, you can either set a specific publish date. Let's say you want it to be in October or November, for example. Just click here and just choose the publish date. Finally, you can delete this whole collection just by clicking here on delete this collection. So let me go and click on save here, and let's go back to collections. Now you see we have two different collections, and that's it for collections.